Hi everyone, Paul from the Barbecue Guy here. Just wanted to have a quick chat to you about the Hark two-door smoker. Just want to run through a few of the features. So obviously we've got two doors, got three vents on the side, nice clear display on the front, really simple, easy to use gas temperature controller down the bottom. Inside, this is my personal one, so it's very well used and very well loved. 4 trays, very large water pan, which is perfect. In a 12-hour cook, you will actually only have to fill that maybe once or twice in the whole cook. I use wood chunks rather than wood chips. There's a lid there for it. What you do, put your wood chips or your wood chunks into that, put it in. Little trick that I've got is you put it in to the back, push it all the way in, put your lid on top, and that's pretty much it. As you can see, three vents, and that's pretty much it. Temperature control can run from anywhere from about 180 degrees Fahrenheit right up to 350 degrees. All right, have a great day.